What's up, everybody? Today we're looking at a sourdough bread making supply kit brought to you by Chris Hales. And here we go. Let's take a look at it. It's just an honest review, trying to show you what I got for fellow bread making fans. Let's take a look at this kit. It's got all kinds of stuff in it. We'll do it real quick, just see what we think. See if it's a good choice for your situation. So, as you can see, we got a ton of stuff. All come in this one little box, huh? Okay, so let's start with the what appears to be cast iron, because man, it is heavy, as it should be. And we've got little bread bowls. All right, so we got 4 of those, but we'll get into those in a second. All right, so yeah, hard, heavy cast iron. It's nice. I like it. They come in multiple colors. And I will link it in the description. But yeah, it's nice. I like it. I got a blue one, so it's nice to have a red one. Alright, so we got the wicker and the silicone. And then we have these two. So you got 2 shapes. All right, these are nice, flexible. It's actually pretty thick. Feels good. Feels like it'll last a long time. These, not the best quality, but they're nice. They'll work. Got the little fabric, of course. All right. So we got that tool. Fortunately, it came with a little dent. Other than that, it's nice. Strong. Yeah, that should last. Won't bend. Got our flour disperser. Alright, so then we've got a little thing that goes in the pot with the handles so we can then lift it out. And we've got big target in this one. I know a lot of you might want one of these. Okay, for shaping your dough ball. We got measurements along the side. We got a measurement table. Cup equals 8 ounces equals 16 tablespoons. Yeah, that's kind of nice. And Fahrenheit to Celsius. Yeah, little cheat sheet. Okay, then we got here in inches and centimeters. So, here you go. That's definitely useful. And of course, it's the same non-sticky silicone. So, we also have a nice wood cutter. I've got this cutter that you spin like this. It's got the circular blade, pulls the loaf through. But this is nice too, if you want to manually cut it. Okay, and for our dough. Oh, and look, it's got a little bag. It's kind of cheap. Well, I must be honest, this is pretty cheap, but it does come with one. This one actually feels pretty nice. This feels like real wood. That's not bad. Comes with a little screwdriver. Tighten it there, and a plastic blade cover too. Okay, no extra blades. All right, you got your little, you know, the really thin razor blades, make slits in the dough, and then a leather cover, yeah, leather cover for the blade, go on there, and it comes with replaceable blades. This is kind of cool too. This is fun for presentation purposes. Little bags, like you're a bakery. Huh? What do you think? Little bakery bags. And you got stickers. Look at this. Homemade. Happy every day. Oh, that's cute. That's a cute little touch. I think probably like 5 of them. So, a minimal, kind of pointless recipe. Oh, nice. have one of these, but this is nice to have another one. Yeah, very, very thick, not flimsy. Plastic. Be nice if this was wood, but it's plastic. Another one. This one is bendable. Okay, these are cool. A lot of people like these. Little stencils. So you can get some little designs going. Hummingbird. Oh, that's pretty. Look at all these designs. It's pretty cool. It probably has all the designs and listings, so I'm not going to go through them all, but Santa. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, you could show up with some Thanksgiving bread. Man, wouldn't you be popular? Maybe you already do. Okay, so we got a scale. This feels cheap, I gotta say. It does work, but it feels cheap. And, you know, not a bonus, I gotta say, that the buttons are written in what I assume is Chinese. I don't read Chinese, so I can't say for sure, but it's a pretty good guess. There you go. It takes AAA, which it does come with. I'm sure those will last all of 2 days. But there you go. It's kind of a bonus anyways. And then we got our starter jar. So fun, we can mark, you know, a little marker on the jar when you started it if you want. And then it also comes with a useful, oh, look at that, temperature gauge that sticks on the side. Huh? How useful is that? I know you guys want that. Alright. And a little bonnet. Hold on. There you go. Look at, got a little bonnet. How cute. Okay. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Nice, nice, this. Nope, that's it. Yeah, very nice. So 4 baskets, 2 and 2. That's nice. I think this will hold up. I'm not sure about the enamel. I'll do an update, but feels nice. And it is a set that comes with a ton of stuff, huh? Look at all this stuff. All in one kit. Pretty good starter kit. Middle to some of the stuff is a little bit higher than middle quality. Some of it's a little cheaper, like this. This feels pretty nice. This is pretty nice, but you know, those aren't very expensive. You know, so it's kind of a mix. This is wood, but overall, it's a nice little set. I like it. I like all the stuff it comes with. Gives you, especially if you're just looking to start, gives you a bunch of stuff to start with, and you can go from there. So this is the, one second. The sourdough bread baking supply kit. It is from basically a pretty generic company, which will be, the link will be listed down below. But nonetheless, it's a pretty good kit, even as a generic-y kind of set. A lot of bang for the buck, and you get a ton of different things. So there you go. Hope that was helpful. Till next time, this is Chris Hales.